Alright, now that you shot your turkey, what are you going to do with it? How are you going to prepare it? This week, I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick, simple, easy recipe that's going to make this turkey taste really, really good. Alright, well the first thing we did is we went ahead, we took turkey breast, we sliced it up into thin strips. That way it cooks really quick, really easy. We're going to go ahead and put them in this airtight container. Then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to take 2 cups buttermilk. Dump that in there. Then we're going to take an egg and go ahead and get this broke down a little bit. Then we're going to take, I don't know, I'll just do a half cup here. Some hot sauce. Never have enough hot sauce. We're going to go ahead and give this a quick whisk. Then we're going to add that to the mixture. Go ahead, pour that in there. Get it all in there. Kind of stir it around a little bit. And what we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to let this marinate here for approximately 2 hours. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and get this Drake's fry mix out. Dump that in a little dish. Go ahead and add our Cajun seasoning. A little extra just for good measure. Just going to go ahead and mix this up here. So just mix this up real good. Make a little mess if you can. And you're on to your next step. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the oil in the pan. Some canola oil. Fill it about halfway up. That'll be good. This is a 12-inch pan, so you could use 1 quart of oil. Just turn that on, bring that up to 10. Alright, now you're just going to take your turkey strips here and stir them up real good. Pull them out. And the flour, fry mixture, and coat it real good. Set them on the plate. Don't get much easier than this. Alright, dump your turkey in. Alright, take them out, a little salt and pepper on them, and you're all set. Voila.